Due to the success of some new reality TV shows, the idea of plural marriage is pretty familiar to most of us. However, despite what cable TV presents, plural marriage doesn't always just look like some blonde-haired guy married to 4 women with a gaggle of kids in tow. In fact, some plural marriages see one woman married to several different men. With this in mind, today's lesson will seek to explain the different types of plural marriage found around the globe. To begin, plural marriage is also referred to as polygamy, being married to more than one spouse at the same time. Although very unlike westernized monogamy, or marriage to only one spouse at a time, polygamy plays a very large role in cultures around the globe. With this in mind, we're going to take a look at 3 types of polygamy. They are polygyny, polyandry, and group marriage. Since polygyny is the most common of the 3, we'll start with it. Stated very simply, polygyny is marriage of one man to more than one woman at the same time. Trying to make this one easy to remember, I linked the letters GY in polygyny to the GY in gynecology. For those of you who don't know, that's simply a branch of medicine devoted to women. Again, using some mnemonic tricks, we could also remember polygyny as a guy named Paul being married to Jeannie, Janine, and Gina. Seen all throughout history, a great example of this is the famous King Solomon of the Bible, who was recorded to have about 700 wives. Hands down, probably the best all-time example of polygyny, and pretty hard to beat. However, it would be a mistake to think that polygyny only occurred in ancient times. It is still alive and kicking around the globe. For example, it's seen in the culture of the Luhya people of Kenya, Africa, as well as in parts of the Mormon faith of our modern world. When speaking of polygyny, it's usually broken down into 2 types. There is sororal polygyny, as in sorority, in which the wives of plural marriage are biological sisters. There's also non-sororal polygyny, in which the wives of plural marriage are not sisters. Leaving polygyny, we now